Welcome back to my channel. This is another time with me. Um, I would like to briefly take you on angles and degrees. Please, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, I would like you to hit on subscribe button for me. God bless you. Now, I want us to briefly look at the basic knowledge of angles and degrees. Angles and degrees. We all know that all angles start from what? From 0 degrees. From zero, you move to 1 degree, second, that's 2 degrees, 3 degrees, and the rest 10 degrees, 100 degrees. But here we are going to use 4 cardinal points to explain it briefly. Now, if you are starting from 0 degree, when you move your protractor, move your protractor The instrument used in measuring angles is protractor. Now, when you move your protractor um, and take the measurement from right to the left, from zero, when you are moving, you'll be getting different angles. But here we're going to use 90 degrees and 80 degrees as basic for other angles. Because by the time you can get these two, you also use them to get the other angles. Now, from here, as you are moving, you have your right angle when two lines are joined together perpendicularly. When two lines come together and they join perpendicularly, you have a right angle um, triangle. You have a right angle triangle, and the value for the degree of the right angle triangle is 90 degree. 90 degree. So from here to here, you're having your 90 degree. That is angle 90 degree. Now, when you move slowly to another one and make it a straight angle, it becomes 180. That is to say, when you have a straight line, is simply 180 degree. A straight line is a combination of two complementary angle, and it form supplementary angle. We are going to that. Now you have 180 degree here. It becomes this way. From that to this place, you have 270 degree, and you have 360 degree. What I want us to know is, I'm going to explain it bit by bit, and we have it this way. Remember that the half of this angle will be 45 degree. The half of this angle is what? Is 45 degree. That is to say, half of the triangle of the right angle, rather, the right angle. When you divide this 90 into two, you have 45 here, and you have 45 degree here. And remember that in our basic knowledge of angles, we were told and we were taught that any angle that is lesser than 90 degree is an acute angle. Is an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degree. For instance, we have an angle this way. I'll call it 45 degree. is an acute angles. Yes, acute angles. So when is now for another 45 is added, making 90 degree is now right angle, or you call it right angle um, triangle, whichever way, uh, is going to give you what 90 degree. Now moving from there, you move toward the straight line. When you have one straight line joining another one, or just a straight line, it's going to give you what 180 degree, 180 degree. That is to say that a straight line is what 180 degree is a combination of two right angle. As you are moving, as you are moving, you are also what going higher to another what cardinal point, another level, and it gives you what 180 degree. I am going somewhere. I want to use it to do what calculation. So please follow me. Now, when you move from 180, you what you you reach what 270 degree. We are adding 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 gives you 180 degree. Another additional 90 to 180 degree will give you 270 degree. Additional 90 to it will give you 360 degree. That brings you back to where you started from. But why is it that it's 360 instead of zero? The reason is it takes you round just like a roundabout, and it gives you a full circle. A full circle. We can now say that the circle is equal to what? 360 degree. Equals to 360 degree. Now, if it is like this, when you are asked a question, you are asked a question to find a missing angle. Missing angle, it could be from um, complementary angle or supplementary angle. As a matter of fact, what is complementary angle and what is supplementary angle? Um, Complementary angle, as layman understanding, complementary angles are angles that are two lines that come that join together perpendicularly, and they form what 90 degrees. Why supplementary angles are angles on a straight line, and it's equal to what 80 degrees. So the formula for it, for instance, we have um, the right angle this way is going to equal to angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equals to what? 90 degree. In case A is missing, you can easily what? Find A. In case B is missing, you can easily what? Find B. For instance, if I decide to divide this right angle, and now say it, we have an angle this way, I name or give this angle a figure of 30 degree, and I put this one as X. Are you getting me? Now, and you are asked to what? Find X. From our formula here, you understand that everything here we have is equal to what? 90 degrees, because we are talking about right angle. We are talking about right angle. So we are going to have it this way. Our X, angle X plus 30 degree is equals to 90 degree. So uh, when you take your 30 to the other side or subtract 30 from both sides, whichever way that is simple for you, you are going to have what? You're going to have 60. So our x, our angle x, give will be 90 degree minus 30 degree. So we have our x equals to what? 60 degree. Under what? Right angle. That is as simple as it is. As simple as it is. Now, what if is a supplementary angle? Because this one is still under what? Complementary angle. We said complementary angles are angles that join uh, together perpendicularly. When two lines join together, this line, and this line, they join together hmm, perpendicularly. They come together and they join and they form a right angle. And that the degree for that angle that two lines join together is 90 degree. Is what? Is 90 degree. And when you divide that angle into different shape or different angles within right angle, you'll be able to find the missing ones using 90 degree as the basic, or using or equating everything to what? 90 degrees. That is how it works, and that is what we have done here. And we're able to what? Find the angle x, because 90 degree is already constant, and the second angle is given. The second angle is what? Is given. That is just it. That is just it. So from there we can also move on to what? To find supplementary what? Angle. Supplementary angle. I told you earlier that supplementary angles are angles on a straight line, and equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. For instance, we have an angle this way, an angle this way. I will have something like this. You getting me? Let's say this one is given, and we say this one is 40 degree, and this one is y degree, right? And you have to find what? Find y. Now, just like we did here, under supplementary angles, when two lines join together, they still form one line, and that one line is equal to what? 180 degree. 180 degrees. Now we have it this way: angle A plus angle B is equals to what? 180 degree. Let's say our y degree is our A, and 40 degrees is our B. We're going to have it this way: solution y degree and y degree plus 40 degree is equals to what? 180 degree. What are we trying to do? We're trying to find angle y. We're trying to find what? Angle y. And now we can decide to say our y, we add 40 or subtract 40 from both sides, rather, plus 40 degree minus 40 degree minus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree. I can decide to take it to the other side and make it more simple the way I did here. But I decide to do it this way so that we understand it better. So y degree is equals to, because plus 40 minus 40 is 0. So 180 degree minus 40 degree will give us what? It give us 140 degree. So our y here is equals to what? 140 degree. This is it is an what? Obtuse angles. Obtuse angles are angles that are greater than 90 degrees, but they are lesser than what? 180 degrees. 180 degrees is greater than 90 degrees, but is what? Is lesser than what? 180 degrees, and is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So it's very easy to what? To find a mixing angle. A mixing angle. Now you use this formula to find the one that is supplementary angle. And you also use this formula to find the one that is complementary angles. This one is for what? Supplementary angles. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So we started from what? 0 degree, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, and 270 to 360. 360. For instance, we can also generate a formula and calculate the one for 360 and 270 the same way we did for what? The complementary angles and supplementary angles. So anytime an angle is missing, it can easily be found. It can easily be found because there is a basic, there is a standard. And what you need to do is to understand how these formulas works. How these formulas works. I believe you learned something. I want you to drop a comment for me. And I want you to follow me. Hit on subscribe button and you will see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. God bless you.